Logitech C922.
This is the C922 webcam.
Everybody wants to see the content creator's face.
With the C922, you will get the camera itself, and you get your own very little mini tripod.
C922, it's my favorite webcam.
Here we have the C922 Pro Stream Webcam. Logitech create the best webcams I've ever used. They're the easiest to set up. It's a USB, you plug it in your computer, and you can just load it up in whatever software you're rocking.
Come to find out, the C922 actually works with an Xbox One. For all of you guys out there that have an Xbox, y'all might want to look into the C922.
It is the industry standard for a reason because it works everywhere on every rig on every machine.
Just stream from your console, especially if you're on Xbox. Get a Logitech camera, plug it in, you're good to go.
Logitech webcams are the greatest webcams ever.
Hi, this is Hillary from Blue, and let's check out Yeti. Yeti is a multi-pattern USB microphone. As a plug-and-play USB microphone, it connects directly to the USB port on your laptop or desktop computer, and without having to download any other software, will work with your favorite recording program, whether you're recording to GarageBand or Audacity, podcasting, dictation, or even Skype. Yeti features 3 condenser capsules. A condenser capsule delivers that rich, detailed audio you typically find in studio recordings. As a multi-pattern microphone, Yeti offers 4 polar pattern options, or directions in which the mic will pick up sound. Yeti will record in cardioid, which is directionally to the front, great for instruments or single-person podcasts. Yeti will also record in omnidirectional, which is 360 degrees around the mic. This is great for band practice, a chorus, or multi-person podcast. Yeti will also record in stereo, which is right and left. This is great for instrument recording to get your right and left separation, or for voice and vocals, it gives you an open, natural room sound. And last, Yeti will record in figure of 8 or bidirectional, which just means front and back. This is great for duets or interviews. Yeti features some studio controls directly on the mic. On the back, above your polar pattern selection, you have analog gain control, which allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. You can also plug headphones directly into Yeti for zero latency direct monitoring, which is great for multi-tracking or just being able to hear exactly what you're recording without any echo or delay. Yeti features headphone volume on the front as well as a mute button in case you have to sneeze in the middle of a podcast. Yeti comes with this desktop stand, but also has a standard thread for connecting to a traditional mic stand, or the Radius, which is Yeti's custom shock mount sold separately.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. Where knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world.